Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new next topic, that is application of trigonometry. So here the first question of application of trigonometry is in the figure we can see here in the figure AB perpendicular to BC and ACB is 30 degree. It is given. Okay. Given that BC is root 300, the length of AB is, we have to find the length of AB. Okay. So here let us check by seeing this figure. We know that 30 degree they have given and we need to find opposite side. Adjacent side is given. We know that in triangle ABC, see here steps is not required. You need only direct answers, right? So directly we will take tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equals to, we know opposite upon adjacent, that is AB upon BC. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equals to AB, we don't know. BC is root 300. Okay. So cross multiply. AB into root 3 is root 3 AB is equals to root of 300. Now AB is equals to root 300, I will write as 100 into 3. 100 into 3 is 300 upon root 3. So 100 root 100 is nothing but 10. Root 3 inside root 3 as it is upon root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. Answer is 10. 10 meter. We have 10 meter. Option 1 is a 10 meter. So this is the first one answer. Let us see the second question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of a tower of height 10 root 3 meter is. Here we have to find the angle of elevations. They have given the angles in options. Let us see, let us draw what they have told. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of a tower of height 10 root 3. Tower height is 10 root 3. I will draw the tower. This is the tower and it is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Of tower height 10 root 3. Find the angle of elevation they have told. Okay, we will write A, B, C. Okay. Now we need to find the angle of elevation. We don't know angle. We will write as theta. Okay. Tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent AB by BC. Tan theta is equals to 10 root 3 upon 30. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 10 threes are 30. 10 threes are 30. Now what we have? Tan theta is equals to root 3 upon 3 we have. 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. We know that root 3 into root 3 is 3. 1 root 3, 1 root 3 get cancelled. Tan theta is equals to 1 upon root 3 we got. In tan tabulation, 1 upon root 3 comes for what? 1 upon root 3 is nothing but tan 30 degree. 1 upon root 3 is nothing but tan 30 degree. So theta is 30 degree. So the correct option is C, 30 degree. Like this type of questions they ask in the examination. Let us see the third question. The angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above. Okay. Above the horizontal level is called vertical angle, angle of depression, angle of elevation, obtuse angle. We know that if the comes above the horizontal, it is nothing but angle of elevation. Let us check the next question. If the altitude of the sun is 60 degree, the height of the tower which cast a shadow of length 30 meter is. The height of the tower we need which cast the shadow of length 30 meter. We will draw, for example, this is the sun. Just I will draw the rough figure. For example, this is the sun. Sun's altitude, what they have told is 60 degree. Of the height of the tower we need to find. We don't know. But it casts Due to sun's altitude, the shadow of the tower cast how much? 30 meter they have told. Okay. Now what we have to find? Find the height of the tower. Let us consider again A, B, C. Now tan 30. Why tan only? Because we need opposite side and we have adjacent side. If they ask any hypotenuse side to find, at that situation we have to go for sine or cos. They didn't ask us to find the hypotenuse side. Okay, tan 60 degree is equals to AB upon adjacent is 30. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. Root 3 is equals to AB upon 30 degree. 30 we have to cross multiply. AB is equals to 30 root 3. Let us check whether we have 30 root 3 in our option. Yes. 30 root 3 is the first option. That is, we have got the answer of 30 root 3. Okay. Option A is the correct option. Let us see the next question. Question number 5. A ladder of 10 meter length touches a wall at height of 5 meter. See, similar type of questions only repeatedly they'll ask in the examination. So almost all questions are similar. A ladder of 10 meter length touches a wall at height of 5 meter. The angle theta made by it with the horizontal is. Again they have asked about the angles. So what you have to draw? A ladder which touches the wall. This is the wall. Okay, a ladder. Ladder will be in this position. A ladder which touches the wall. Ladder how much they have told? 10 meter. Touches the wall at a height of 5 meter. Okay. Find the angle made by it with the horizontal. Find the angle made by it with the horizontal. We have to find the angle. Let angle be theta they have told. Okay, we'll write any A, B, C. Now here we have hypotenuse value. We can't go for sine. Okay, we can't go for tan. We will go for sine because opposite and hypotenuse we got. Sine theta is equals to AB upon AC. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Sine theta let it be as it is. AB value is 5 upon 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So in sine tabulation, half comes for what value? It comes for 30 degrees. Sine 30 is nothing but half. Sine gone means theta is equals to 30 degree. So the correct option is D, 30 degree. Okay. Next now, question number 6. A pole 6 meter height cast a shadow 2 root 3 meter long on the ground. Then the sun's evaluation is. So what they have told? A pole. You have to draw for all problems. You have to draw a rough figure. A pole of 6 meter height cast a shadow. Shadow always it will be in horizontal line. Cast a shadow of 2 root 3 meter. Find the sun's elevation. Okay. You have to find the sun's elevation. How much it is. Again you can write any alphabet you can choose. I'll choose ABC so that we should not get confused here. Now opposite and adjacent we have. So tan theta is equals to AB upon BC. AB is nothing but 6 upon 2 root 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Again we can do what? Root 3 is nothing but 3 is nothing but tan theta is equals to 3 is nothing root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So upon root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. We have got only root 3. So tan tabulation root 3 comes for what value? 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is root 3. So theta is equals to 60 degree. So the correct option is C, 60 degree. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Question number 7. Almost all similar type question. You can see all questions. These are from different papers. But the question asked is almost similar. Okay. A pole 10 meter high cast a shadow 10 meter long on the ground. Okay. A pole 10 meter height cast a shadow of 10 meter long on the ground. Then the sun's evaluation is, again you have to find the theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent, 10 upon 10. 10 get cancelled, nothing but 1. So in tan tabulation, 1 comes for 45 degree. 45 degree is nothing but 1. So if tan gone, theta value is 45 degree. So the correct option here is B, 45 degree. Okay. Now let us see, this is a bit different. If the ratio of height of a tower and the length of its shadow on the ground is √3:1. Here, height of the tower and length of its shadow is given in the ratio form. Then the angle of evaluation of the sun is one and the same, but still they have given in the ratio form. Okay. First, what they have given? Height of the tower. Height of the tower is √3 and its shadow is 1. So, again they have asked the same question. What is the sun's evaluation? That is nothing but theta. A, B, C. So again tan theta is equals to AB upon BC. Tan theta we don't know, so we'll keep as it is. AB value √3 upon BC is 1. So √3 upon 1 is nothing but √3. In tan tabulation, √3 comes for tan 60 degree. So theta is equals to 60 degree. So answer is A, 60 degree. Let us see the next question. Question number 9. The length of the string of a kite, the length of string of a kite flying at 100 meter above the ground with the elevation 60 degree is. Okay. For example, this is a small kite. I'll just draw a figure. What they have told, 100 meter above the ground it is flying. Kite is flying 100 meter above the ground. Find the height of the string. String is this. Okay. Above the ground with the elevation of 60 degree. So, we have to find the height of the string. Now again they have asked the hypotenuse. In this situation, we can take sine theta because opposite they have given and hypotenuse we have to find. So, sine, how much degree? Sine 60 degree is equals to AB upon AC. Sine 60 degree value is √3/2. √3/2 is equals to AB value is 100. We don't know AC. Let us cross multiply now. √3 AC is equals to 200. Okay. 100 into 2. So AC is equals to 200 upon √3. Let us check the answer whether we have 200 upon √3. Yes. Option C is 200 upon √3 meter. So the correct option is C. Let us see next question. The length of a shadow of a 20 meter tall pole on the ground when the sun's evaluation is 45 degree. Again the question is same. What? The length of the shadow of 20 meter tall pole. Okay, 20 meter tall pole on the ground when the sun's evaluation is 45 degree. Now we have to find the shadow. The length of the shadow we have to find A, B, C. Okay. Again what we have to do? Tan 45 degree is equals to AB upon BC. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. AB value is 20 upon BC. BC into 1 is BC. So the length of shadow is also nothing but 20 meters. So option A is a correct option. Okay. Now next question. If the angle of depression, here the angle of depression comes. Angle of depression of an object from a 75 meter high tower is 30 degree. Then the distance of the object from the base of the tower is. Okay. From angle of depression from 75 meter high tower angle of depression from the 75-meter high tower is 30 degree. Angle of depression is nothing but 30 degree. Find the distance between the base of the tower and the object. So you know that this is 30 degree, means this is also 30 degree. Why? Because it is alternate angles are equal. This we can say these are the alternate angles and it is equal. Now we need to find this distance. We'll write A, B, C. Now we know if this is 30 degree, tan 30 degree is equals to AB upon BC. Tan 30 degree is nothing but 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equals to 75 upon BC. BC into 1 is BC. 75 into root 3 is nothing but 75 root 3. So the correct option is 75 root 3. That is option C is 75 root 3 is the correct option. This is the last question now. We can see here, if a pole of height 4 root 3, if a pole of height 4 root 3, I'll draw the pole of height 4 root 3 from the ground, cast a shadow of length 4 meter. Here length of the shadow also is given, that is 4 meter. Then its angle of evaluation towards the sun is. Then find the angle of evaluation. Okay. This type of question only they will repeatedly ask. Almost all questions are similar, but the numbers are different here. So we need to find the angle here. Tan theta is equals to AB upon BC. We don't know angle, so tan theta as it is, AB is 4 root 3 upon 4. Root 4 get cancelled. Tan theta is equals to root 3. So in tan tabulation, root 3 comes for tan 60 degree. Okay, so tan 10 got cancelled. So theta is equals to 60 degree. So the correct option here is C, 60 degree. So this completes the application of trigonometry problems, because almost all problems are same with the different numbers. So in my next video I am going to start with the next chapter. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.